Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of this series. There is a part 1 to this little shadow box house. I show you how to make the base of this house, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you go check it out. I'm going to have it linked up in the cards right there. It'll pop up now, and then I'm also going to have it linked down below if you want to see it. I show you guys, like I said, how to make the base, and then in this video, I'm showing you how to decorate it. So if you didn't see part 1, make sure you go watch it. But I was inspired by Solange Ferreira, I think. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry, girlfriend. But she posted a video not too long ago on decorating a washi house, she said it was, she thought, from the Target dollar spot. And I really wanted to make one. I thought they were so beautiful. Well, the one she made was so beautiful. And I couldn't find them, and I didn't really want to pay $5 for each one because I want to make a bunch of these because they're just so adorable. I love these so much. So I decided to make my own out of poster board, and this is what I came up with. And I really want to thank her for inspiring me to do this because I seriously love these so much. I'm gonna make myself a like Sugar Skull Day of the Dead themed one, and then I'm gonna make one for my Aunt Nancy, like Paris themed, I think. So, or maybe Paris themed, maybe like pink. I know it's gonna be pink, that's all I know. But I'm really excited to make some more of these, and I'm also gonna make one for my friend Rebecca, and then like, I don't know, I'll probably make one for everybody I know because they're so fun. But this one in particular is for my friend Cornflower Crafts here on YouTube. I'll have her link down below so you guys can go check her out. She used to be Corn Riley, so if you recognize that name, she changed her name just recently. But she is the sweetest woman. I mean, I haven't met her in person, but I've met her on YouTube, and I think it was Sybil B, if you guys know her. She said something like, even though we all don't know each other personally, our hearts have met through the internet, so I think that is really sweet. And I just love Corn, and she's been really sweet to me. She said a lot of really sweet things about my channel on her channel, and she also sent me some fun fur because I want to give away, and it was just really nice of her. And I just wanted to tell her thank you, and this was something I made and sent to her. She does have a video on what I sent her, so if you guys want to see that, I'll have it linked down below, and her channel, because she makes some really nice videos, and she always makes me smile and always makes me laugh. And her and Handsome Assistant, well, she has a bunch of assistants, her husband, her daughter, and then sometimes she has her daughter's, I think it would be husband, I don't know, but Charming Assistant, Beautiful Assistant, and Handsome Assistant, and they all are just so funny, and they're so sweet, and they just always bring a smile to my face. So I love to watch her videos, and I hope you guys go check her out. But this is for her. I made it in a pastel bunny theme because she loves bunnies, and she also loves pastels, so I wanted to make her something she loves. And it is so sweet because she's actually using this as the background in her videos, and I'm just like so honored that she put them in there because I don't know, it's just really cute. I love it, and she says that Handsome Assistant loves it, so maybe I'll make him one of his own, maybe. So I don't know, it's just really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me. Well, I hope you guys make your own and then enjoy watching me decorate mine. And if you do decorate your own, make sure you post a picture of it either on Instagram, and I do have a Facebook group. It's pretty new, and I'm still like getting myself to get into the habit of checking it and like posting every day. But if you guys want to come over there, I'm gonna have, well, the link is always in the bottom of all my descriptions in my videos, so you guys can just head over there, and you just have to request to be in the group. I don't really know why. I wanted to make it open, but I have to accept everybody who wants to join the group. But everybody's welcome, and I've been posting mostly video updates in there, but I do want to start posting like Michael's coupons. I want to post links to other channels, and if you guys want to post links to other channels, go for it. I'm totally open for that. We're here to support each other. It's not like, oh my god, don't talk about anybody else's channel, mine's the only one that exists. I made the group so I could see everybody else's channels, I could see links, I could post, you know, links to blogs, maybe links to the store websites, and links to items. If you guys are looking for certain items I use, I can always post links to them if I can find them. So definitely go join my Facebook group. It's called Creating with Mimi Lee, and like I said, there's a link down below. So while I was decorating my house, I just started with putting everything in the back first, because if you don't do that, it's really hard to get all the pieces behind the other little pieces because these sections are very small and it's hard to get your hand in there. So start with decorating your back walls first and putting the items you want in the background, and then you can start putting in the items that go in front and inside the room, actually, because that just makes it a lot easier. And so what I use to decorate this is a mix between die cuts, stickers, and then I have some tags in there, and the like bottom of the floor. Like I put the like Easter grass, what do you call that? I think paper shreds. That's what they're called, I think. They're like for packaging usually, but I put that in the bottom of it just to give it some volume, I guess you could say, and just make it look kind of more full, because without it, it looked a little bland in my first one, so I added that in. And Solange, I'm sorry if I'm saying her name wrong, like I'll feel really, really bad, and but I'm gonna keep saying it Solange, and if it's wrong, you guys can correct me down below. But she put tulle in the bottom of hers, and that was really, really pretty, and that's where I got this idea from. I just don't have any really pretty tulle that I could put in mine, so I used Easter paper shreds instead. So, but those are two options, and then you could also always put like tissue paper in there, or like fabric if you wanted. Those would be really cool. And also you could use that fun fur I got from Corn. That would be pretty cool in the bottom of that. So yeah, there's a bunch of options, and just like the themes you could do with these houses are endless. Like for Halloween, you could make little haunted houses. Wouldn't that be cute? I was thinking like you could make little doll houses for like your children or something like that. That would be really cute. And like I said, making a Day of the Dead theme. I don't know. There's just a bunch of options. If you see a paper pad that you would like to make a house in, pick it up, because that'll really help you. You can cut out the like, what do you call those? Like images, designs on the paper, and make like your own pieces of ephemera kind of. I do that sometimes. I also use die cuts. I don't know if I mentioned that. Ephemera. Oh, that chain up the top. That's not really a chain. It's like a tassel. That tassel in the attic of the house is actually an earring. I got that idea from Rosa's Creative Way. She bought earrings from Walmart for like $1 and then uses them just as charms and such on her projects, and I thought that was a really good idea, so I picked up some too, and that's what I have in the top of my attic, just hanging down kind of like a chandelier. I thought that was pretty cute. And then I do have some flowers, little butterflies you see there. And yeah, I had a lot of fun decorating this, and just whatever you have, use. I just got, if you guys saw my Dollar Tree haul, I mentioned that I had bought those little tiny garden figurines to put in these houses, so you could go to the dollar store and get, well, you don't even have to be the dollar store. Michael's makes some really cute little mini figurines you could pick up to put inside these houses. Like I said, the options are endless. So we're starting to get to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me decorate this. Like I keep saying, I had a lot of fun doing it, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And please, please, please don't forget to go check out Solange's channel, because she's the one I got this idea from, and I cannot thank her enough, because I absolutely love it. So go check her out. Go check out Cornflower Crafts, because she is just really sweet, and she'll make you laugh. So check them both out, and make sure you go join my Facebook group. Go follow me on Instagram. It's at Mimi Lee Crafts, just the same as here. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope you enjoy your beginning of spring, and I hope you enjoy all of the videos I'm gonna be posting this week. And if you have any video ideas, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try and come up, well, not come up with them, but make something for you guys that you will enjoy. And yeah, I'm just really enjoying this YouTube journey. I've really appreciated you guys' support, and I can't wait to do another giveaway for you guys. So thank you very much for supporting me, and thank you for watching this video. And like I said, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.